Hey everyone, welcome back to another project tutorial. So today we're gonna do a super cool door lock system with RFID and an Arduino Uno. So let's get started. For this project, you'll need an Arduino Uno board, an RFID reader, 12 volts solenoid lock, a step-down voltage regulator, and finally a 5 volts relay. Let's make the circuit. First, I connect the RFID pins to the Arduino. The circuit is shown on the screen. Now I'm connecting the relay. I'm wiring VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, and the input pin to the 8th pin on Arduino. I'm using a 12 volts adapter to power the circuit. Additionally, I'm using a voltage regulator to ensure the Arduino runs more reliably. Now let's make the code, and then again we will continue with the circuit. First, from the library manager, I install some libraries for serial communication with RFID. Then in the setup function, I initialize the RFID reader and set the relay as output and turn it off at start. In the loop function, the code first checks if a new RFID card is present. If no card is detected, the function stops and goes back to the beginning of the loop to keep checking. If a card is detected, it tries to read the card's data. If reading fails, the loop returns, waiting for the next attempt. Once the card is successfully read, the code retrieves the unique identifier from the card. It loops through the UID bytes, converts them to a string, and stores them in the content variable. It then prints the UID to the serial monitor for reference, which is useful for identifying different cards. Here, the code compares content with the predefined UID that grants access. If the UID matches, it prints access granted to the serial monitor and proceeds to unlock the door. The door stays unlocked for 5 seconds, allowing enough time for someone to pass through. After 5 seconds, the relay is turned off by setting the relay pin back to low, which locks the door again. After uploading the code, you have to check what is your card's UID. Then write it here. For example, mine is this. Now let's get back to the circuit. With the multimeter, I have to check and configure which terminal of the relay turns on when I place the card in front of the RFID. And to that terminal, I connect the solenoid's positive side. Into the common terminal of the relay, I connect the positive side coming from the 12 volts adapter. As you see, when I place the card in front of RFID reader, it gets the UID and then turns on the relay. So a solenoid activates and the door unlocks. The circuit is done. Now it's time to design a case to enclose and protect our circuit. I think the 3D case turned out to be very high quality. It looks great and will fit well with the circuit. Now let's place the circuit inside this case. So finally our project is finished, and I think it looks very good and very professional. So I power it, and when I place the card in front of it, as you see guys, the relay turns on and the solenoid works. It looks very professional, and it's a little heavy. If you found this tutorial helpful guys, we would be happy if you liked the video. If you have any questions, you can ask on the comments section. Thanks for watching.